Austrian economics is a school of economic thought that emphasizes the spontaneous organizing power of the price mechanism and criticizes the intervention of government in the economy. Originating in late 19th century Vienna with the works of Carl Menger, it has grown to challenge mainstream economic theories like Keynesianism. At the heart of Austrian economics is the concept of methodological individualism. This approach focuses on individual actions and choices, asserting that the collective phenomena in economies emerge from the interactions of individual agents, not from overarching entities like governments or markets. Austrians believe that each economic decision is subjective, influenced by personal preferences and circumstances, rather than purely objective calculations. This leads to a critical view on statistical methods and mathematical modeling in economic analysis, which are seen as unable to capture the subjective nature of human behavior. Another core principle is the importance of time and information in understanding economic processes. Austrian economists argue that time is essential for production and consumption decisions, and that information about markets and prices is decentralized, known only partially and individually to each market participant. Ludwig von Mises, a prominent Austrian economist, introduced the concept of praxeology, which studies human action based on the assumption that individuals act purposefully to achieve their goals. Austrian economics is well known for its business cycle theory, developed by Friedrich Hayek and Ludwig von Mises, which attributes economic booms and busts to government manipulation of interest rates and money supply, leading to malinvestments. According to this theory, artificially low interest rates set by central banks lead to unsustainable booms, followed by inevitable busts when the created distortions are corrected by market forces. The school's emphasis on limited government and free markets aligns closely with libertarian political philosophy, influencing economic policies and thinkers globally. Its critiques of central planning and advocacy for the gold standard as a stable monetary system are among its more influential and controversial stances. Despite criticism for its lack of mathematical modeling and empirical testing, Austrian economics provides a unique lens through which to view economic phenomena, emphasizing complex human behaviors and institutional analysis. Its focus on individual decision-making and skeptical view of government intervention offer insightful perspectives on economic policy and theory.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful content. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video.